You can see there presently it's on 27.3 degrees, which is around about the ambient temperature at the moment. So I've got it set, I've got the fan set to start up when the ambient temperature reaches about 32.5, and it'll cut out when the temperature comes down again to about 29. So I'll just show you here. I'll grab this is the little thermometer, the little thermostat thermometer. So I'll grab that and just put a bit of heat into it. The body temperature, you can see the temperature will go up, and at about 32.5 I've got it set at, the fans will kick in. So it's just going up there with my holding on to that little probe. So you can see there it's coming up 31.5. When it gets to 32.5, which is what I've got it set at, the fans will kick in. That's your ambient temperature once it gets to that. So if you've got it switched on, that green, you can see they've just started up there at 32.5. So there's your little fans, the 3 fans are running. Right. And you'll see inside here the little buck converter. It's showing 12, around about 12.1. So that's the output current, which is about 12 volts at the moment. Because those little fans, being a computer fan, they don't like running at say 13 or 14 volts, which the battery charger and battery will put out. That little buck converter just converts the incoming current back to a constant 12 volt. So I'll just let that temperature probe go. So you'll see that the temperature's dropping, the ambient temperature. When it gets back to 29, the little fans will shut down. And you can see in here, if I press this little button, that's the input current at the moment, about 13.9, and I press it again and that's the output current, 12.1. So I'll just do that again. There's the input current, and there's your output current. So we're back to 29, back to 30 there. The fans are still running. But you'll see when it gets back to 29, I've got it set at 29 for the fans to kick out again. Ambient temperature at the moment is below 29. If I wanted to do it any quicker, I just stick that little probe in a cup of water, and there you can see 29, and the fans are shutting down there now. So 28.7. I think we're around about 28 degrees here now this morning. So I'll just do that again. I'll grab the temperature probe. So let's assume that it's sitting all mounted in the van, and temperature's rising this morning. So once it gets up to 32.5 ambient temperature, the fans will kick in on your fridge, and they'll run all day while ever the temperature stays above 29. I can alter these temperature settings if you wish. That's around about what I've got mine set at on the van. So 33, 34, 35, there you go, they kick in. I'll let that go again, and just to make it a bit quicker, to drop that down, I'll just stick that little probe in that water, and you'll see that the temperature will drop away pretty quickly. So once it gets down to 29, there you go, 29, or below 29, you can see the fans are slowing down there now. She's just shut down again. Alright, the main kill switch, just to shut the whole system down. If you don't want to use it at all in the winter months, you just flick that switch and it just shuts the whole system down.